Let's go take a look towards y'all old doghouse or cage, kennel. Go get some siding. I don't know if I'm gonna keep it white, but yeah, I can work with it. Outside corner post, J channels, drip edge, finish trim, vents. Yeah. We get it home by any means necessary. Any means, man. My beautiful neighborhood. Mixture crowd around here. People with some money, you know. I ain't got no money, but they got some money. Just trying to get in where I fit in. Surprised I ain't got no baseball game today. Can't even see fucking side mirror and shit. Yeah, into the crib we be. Somebody gotta cut that motherfucking grass. It ain't gonna be me. On YouTube, you can see them out here with the side and shit. I already did some measuring and cutting. Them ain't even the ones I need, really. Know where they at. But white, and I'm not gonna keep it white. I'm not really painted. These, it's like a tan. These dry. But let me show y'all next to it. If I can. Getting it together. Mocking up the pieces before I paint it.